Welcome back to another video. Today is a special one. My YouTube plaque for hitting 100,000 subscribers just popped up in the mail today. Came maybe like 2 hours ago or something like that. I had to wait at the house, obviously, all until the point that the FedEx guy actually came and brought it to me. And without further ado, we're going to be taking a look at it. So I thought I would just, unbox it on the channel for the purpose of, showing you guys what it's going to look like when you get a 100,000 subscriber play button. And also for the future me who wants to go back and see the 20-year-old me unbox it for documentation purposes. Without further ado, let's get into it. Now, I had to walk all the way down to the office without opening it up, so I got no clue what it's going to be like. Without further ado, I could probably imagine what it's going to be like, though, you know what I mean? Don't have to use the most crazy imagination. Without further ado, just pop it open. So it kind of looks a little bit opened almost. Maybe like the FedEx people or the international shipping people fucked with my package. 2 seconds. I gotta get a thingamajig. Gotta get a key. Gotta get a key, man. Seems like they opened up one side. They had to take a little peek, see that there wasn't any drugs in there or something like that. And obviously it's an international package, so I'm in England to get shipped from America. So I guess the people at the border had to check it on one side. One side's definitely open. Oof. Okay. Opening it up, and it is currently got a couple different layers to it. First layer we got is a protective layer. Second layer we got is a little note. Oh, hell yeah, that's what's up. Holy shit. I guess I went past the note pretty quick. Oof, that looks fire. I'm gonna show this to you in a sec. Note says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube that can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-figure milestone. Fire. Crazy. It's pretty awesome for me right now, to be honest. It's a little bit surreal. I'm just looking at it like, holy shit, that's pretty crazy. For real. Then they got a little card in here that says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Shout out to Rick. That's hilarious. No last name, it just says Rick. Look at this shit. If your shit was damaged, then that's fucking Rick's fault. We need to get Rick. I need to destroy him. 2 seconds. Let me check the camera autofocus. Didn't screw me over. What's going on? Hell yeah. All right, we're good. Sometimes my camera, the lens is a little bit messed up on my camera. It does this weird thing where, sometimes you'll have it focus on something close and it'll just get locked in that, So definitely not the moment to fuck that up. Without further ado, let's get to the main attraction. I need to get a kind of finger in here first, though. That sounded a little bit dodgy. Let's get this shit open. All right. Fuck yes. Had to go at it from a weird angle. Hell to the yes. Got this stuff. And there we go. Woo! Oh my God. Hell yeah, it looks fire. It says, presented to JackCole for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. Let me get all this stuff out the way, man. Gotta get this stuff out. And let's get this open. Woo! Woo! Hell to the yes. There we go, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Jesus. So it's kind of like pretty reflective in the middle. It's like a little mirror in the middle. What's going on, Jack? How you doing? Congratulations. Thank you very much. And there we go. Hell yeah. Presented to JackCole for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube logo on the bottom. Silver play button. It feels really nice. Not as heavy as I would imagine it would have been. But it's still got a little bit of weight to it. And, of course, the little letter and everything like that, man, signed by Susan, however you say her last name. Shout out to you, Susan. Thank you for the signature. Hell yeah.